Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Desi Chale Canada. The ongoing coronavirus pandemic has had wide ranging implications on various processes around the world. In Canada, the impact of COVID 19 on the immigration system has been quite evident, as we have already started to witness a change in the pattern of the express entry draws that have taken place since the pandemic started a few weeks ago. But the bigger question here is what would be the long term implications of this pandemic on the express entry cutoff score? Will the cutoff score drop or will it continue to climb like what we had seen in the pre pandemic era? In this episode, we shall take a look at the various possibilities and try to answer this question. So, do watch this video till the end. To begin with, let us first take a look at the pattern of some of the recently held express entry draws. The impact of coronavirus was begun to be felt in Canada during the beginning of March, and that is also when the last all program draw of the express entry took place. In the last all program draw, there were 3,900 invitations to apply issued, and the cutoff score in that draw was 471. Since then, 6 more express entry draws have taken place, but all of those have been program specific draws. While 3 of these draws have been for the provincial nominees, the remaining 3 have been issued to candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class. The primary reason for the change in the pattern of the draws from all program draws to program specific draws could be because of the entry restrictions imposed by the Canadian authorities since the beginning of the coronavirus crisis. The idea behind inviting candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class could be that most of these candidates are already in Canada and are not affected by the entry restrictions. Assuming that the entry restrictions continue for a few more weeks, we might continue to witness program specific draws where most candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class would continue to be invited in an attempt to meet the projected immigration targets. While this is great news for candidates from the Canadian Experience class, especially those who have lower comprehensive ranking scores, but let us also try to understand what kind of impact would this change have on the overall cutoff score in the future draws. The most recent breakup of the candidates in the express entry pool that we have is from April 14th, 2020, which is shown here on your screens. The table shows that there are close to 22,500 candidates with CRS scores of more than 450. In normal circumstances, this number would continue to rise steadily as new candidates are added to the pool every week. This is the case that we were witnessing till a few months back when the express entry cutoff score was rising constantly. However, for any candidate to get into the express entry pool, there are two basic requirements. The first is that the candidate must have their language score, and the second requirement is that the candidate must have their educational credential assessment or ECA report. We know that there has been a lockdown in various countries around the world, and as a result, IELTS tests have been suspended at a lot of centers around the globe for the next several weeks. Also, ECA reports are taking longer than usual to get processed, and candidates are unable to send their documents to get their ECA done because of the postal disruptions. As a result of the above stated factors, it would be safe to assume that almost no new candidates would be added to the pool till things normalize and IELTS and ECA processes begin normal operations once again. Till then, whatever express entry draws that take place would invite candidates who are already in the express entry pool. Assuming that around 3,500 candidates are invited to apply every 2 weeks, the total number of candidates in the express entry pool could come down by about 15,000 within the next 2 months. In such a scenario, the cutoff score in the next all program draw could easily drop below 460, and all candidates currently sitting in the pool with a score of above 455 should feel really positive about receiving an invitation once the all program draws resume. Even if you are currently not in the express entry pool but feel that you can get a score of above 450, I would recommend that you should be prepared to complete your documentation and get the basics done as soon as things open up so that you can fulfill your dream of coming to Canada. So friends, this was a video about the future of express entry draws. If you liked this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to Desi Chale Canada's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.